Yep.
All right, we've got, what is this, March? March Geek Fuel. I think there's going to be a leprechaun in the box.
I don't know.
St. Patrick's Day already came.
Yeah.
Think there'd be something in there for April Fools?
Probably not. I'm not sure. Okay, let's...
Starting at the top there, what is that? Oh, we got the shirt.
Yeah. And, oh, yeah, it is Batman versus Superman. You were right.
Who is that? That's Superman, Batman, Wonder Woman.
Aquaman and Doomsday, probably? I'm not sure.
Okay.
And then there's a Batman versus Superman figure.
Okay.
Ooh, the game.
What is the game? Dinocide? Huh.
And then there's a poster. Except it's in a rubber band over here. Okay. A certificate of sentence. Hey, I'm totally putting this in my room. Totally putting this in my room because, oh yes. Yes.
You're liking the poster, huh?
Oh.
That's a big book.
Yeah.
What is it? Amazing, fantastic, incredible.
A marvelous memoir.
By Stan Lee. Oh wow! Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Stan Lee's memoir?
Yeah.
Oh, that is...
In comic book form.
Yeah, but of course it's in comic book form.
Yeah.
Excelsior!
And then, you know.
Yep. Alright, so...
Wow.
As you look over your stuff here, what's your verdict on this month's Geek Fuel box?
I think that it was really good. Even though it did focus on Batman versus Superman, I'm just not excited for that.
But you take out the equation, take out the film.
Yeah, it's... Awesome! It's...
Yay!
Yeah. It's... Yeah, this is really good.